part of the divination story. Now, someone scattered a whole bunch of cards. I randomly picked one. This came out. I was hoping it was the Queen of Hearts, but this card came up. Now, I know in illumination 4 is important. I have no clue what that is. The spade is definitely part linked to divination because black is Hanna, and the spade for Hanna is earth and digging and stuff like that. So when I came to the computer, I found a really interesting article on 4, and I'm gonna do it here, which is the meaning, the number 4. The number 4 derives its meaning from creation, because if a prophet does land on earth, it's linked to creation. It's a womb that is linked to creation. So that is where I am today. I'm looking at my card number 4. Now this is part of the divination story. That's kind of mind-boggling. We're going to put that aside because we want to humanize it and actually finish the sun production. So that is where I am today. Thank you and have a good day.